What's up, guys? It's your boy Chevy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to mod Pokemon Go. First thing you want to do is open up Google or internet browser. Type in 22.vip. Click on the first one if you would like. After this loads up, you go to, if your device is iOS, then you click on the iOS, and if your device is Android, then you click on Android. This app got a lot of other stuff, like you can get NBA 2K16. Here's the mod at Pokemon Go. Just hit download, and yeah, it would be modded. Peace.